Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A12 and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme on this device. Start by opening settings. Then scroll down, go into themes and click at themes at the bottom left corner. Then tap on the loop at the top right corner and type whatever you want to, for example love. Select the theme that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to click on it, choose download and wait. Then click apply. And as you can see, theme of my device has changed. But if you want to go back into the system one, you can always go into the same settings, scroll down, tap on themes, select these three lines at the top left corner, tap on my stuff, click default theme and tap apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!